guys, so welcome back. If you've been here before or if you're new, just welcome in general. Today we're gonna do a quick clean my bathroom. It is a small bathroom and there's not a lot of storage or anything. I don't use the cabinets underneath as of right now. Um, so yeah, it should be a quick and short video just showing you guys how I clean my bathroom, and it's about time I did it because it's been 2 days now and I always clean it every 2 days. Just because, you don't want it to start smelling in there, and it's a bathroom and it needs to be cleaned. So we're going to get straight into that video. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up if you like this, and subscribe down below so you don't miss future videos like this. See you guys soon. Alright, so this is what my bathroom looks like. I just brought these 3 cleaning supplies, and I'm going to show you what those are in just a second. We have a random nursing bra here. Have me in the mirror. And then we also have some clothes here. Of course, the toilet, our toilet paper and stuff. The cat thinks that he's drinking out of the toilet. Someone didn't put the toilet paper on the right way. We just emptied the garbage can. I didn't get that on film. That's kind of gross. It's just my own opinion because it was a bathroom. We have a dirty washcloth. We have Novelle's cup. So I'm going to take the glass one out. I'm going to wash the green one because that's her bath time cup. And then we have all of our cleaning, like body cleaning supplies, hair, soaps, another washcloth, and this is our tub. Because Colt sandblast, the sand sticks to the floor of the tub and it does not come out easily unless you scrub it. We haven't scrubbed it in about 2 days, so it's about time for that. And then on the back of the door, this is just for the clean towels. We have them, but we didn't hang them up yet. And these are all the used towels. Because you're getting out of the shower and you're clean, we use them at least once or twice, sometimes 3 times before. And that's Novelle's little robe. Actually, the pink one hasn't been used. We used it to dry off Novelle's hair, and that was it. It wasn't even used on her body, so yeah. But if you guys can tell too, we did the caulking that we had to get done. Let's put you in focus. We did the caulking, and it looks really, really nice now. At the very beginning in my first new home tour, I told you guys that the guy said he was going to redo it because, of course, this apartment was flooded for so long and whatnot. And we ended up doing it ourselves, and I think I like it better. The only spot we still have to do is, like, right there. But I think it looks okay because we did that side as well also. So, I like it a lot. And we did it in front of the bathtub, too. So, but anyways, if you guys want to see me clean my bathroom, stick right in with this video. Okay, so the first cleaning product today that we're going to be using, not my hair, we just woke up just a little while ago, and I don't worry about my hair early in the morning. So, anyway, we have these Clorox disinfecting wipes. These are about $4 at, I can't remember where we got them from. I think we got them from Walmart. But they're crisp lemon. You can even use these in the litter boxes, the toilet. You can use them in the tubs and shower walls, finished hardwood, sealed granite, stainless steel. These are all the things that they're great for. It also comes with a bunch of directions. My cat will not get out of here. Blaze, you need to get out. We'll just close the door. Anyway, so we're going to use these on the exterior of the toilet. We're going to use them on the tub, faucets, sink, the counter, whatever else. I also have this super shower foamer. This was $1 at the dollar store. It doesn't work the best, so we spray it on there and then we sit there and we wait until it's foamed up and ready to go. If it turns brown, sometimes it doesn't turn brown, but we're gonna use this anyway. But in place of this, I used to use my, it was the in-shower spray, and we used to put eucalyptus essential oils, like dropped a few drops in it when we were using it. It was from Grove Collaborative. But we ran out, and right now we just don't have the money to get any more. But once I do order those, which should be like next week, I'm going to do an open box haul for you guys so you guys can see all that we ordered. We're only going to order a few cleaning products though, so I mean it's nothing big. But something cool for you, those of you who haven't ordered from there yet. And no, I did not cut my hair. This is just like how my hair is layered. Because I had asked that last night too, when my hair was like half in the front and half in the back. Anyway, so this you guys have seen in most of my videos. This is just Dawn dish soap, some hot water, and some lemon juice. I normally put a little bit of vinegar in it, but I ran out. Vinegar, it gets the tough stains going. moving, whatever. We're also going to use this, the Works, for it as well. So yeah, and I'm not sure how much this costs actually. I don't remember. But I like the bleach ones better because the bleach for your toilet bowl, and it smells so much cleaner because a toilet's just disgusting. It's, you know, but I like the bleach toilet bowl better, but we don't have it right now. So we're gonna be getting some of that too, probably from Grove Collaborative. So if you guys want to see this video, let's get straight into it. Okay, so first things first, I'm gonna spray some of this on there, and I'm also gonna go over top of it with this. We're gonna let that now sit, and then we're gonna move over to the toilet.
Seeing eyes of mine, what do you feel beside? I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll change it, change it. Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert, I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn. Can you stay and I will grow, grow the hanging gardens of Babylon. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but we'll change it, change it. I would like to tell you mine and my dreams. I would like to go with you into the stream. Please don't deny your love makes me feel alive. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll fix it, fix it. Love, love, love.
Okay, here I'm just gonna take the toilet paper and I'm gonna put it on the correct way. We put it on with the tail hanging in the front. You can choose however you want to, whichever you feel is the right way, that's how we do it. Okay, so I have a hard time having this in view because we don't have anything to hold this up right now. So I hope that you guys can see. I can just talk you through this one because Novelle's a little bit loud in the back. Okay, so this I'm leaving on the counter. It's my old toothpaste and an old toothbrush. I'm gonna go put it underneath because I'm using this to scrub the floor tiles. We're leaving our mirror up here. We're just gonna wipe around. Gonna wipe around everything. Get it all nice and crisp. take the bra. The bra can go on the floor for now. Move our jewelry holder. And then we're going to start to get into the sink. The coconut oil is going to go back into the linen closet because we don't have as much space in here as we did. And I did not use bleach or any hard chemicals in my bathroom besides the bowl cleaner for my toilet because bleach is not safe to be around children or animals. It's been a proven fact, and it really doesn't do much for cleaning. It may disinfect, but unless you're going to use it for laundry, it does absolutely nothing. Compared to vinegar, it's safe to be around children because it's natural, and it cleans more like hard to reach places, less scrubbing, stuff like that. Even with bleach, you do have to scrub. But I prefer to have my Vinegar and Dawn dish soap. And I just take a little bit of toilet paper. I'm just gonna go around the edges and clean up what I didn't get because hair does not stick to the Clorox wipes. And Colt likes to shave his beard in our sink and not clean up his hairs. And then I'm going to put my soap and wipe off the bottom, and I'm going to put it right back on the sink. And it's all done. Okay, so last step, I'm just going to take my shower head, which is up here hanging up. I'm going to turn on the hot water, and I'm just going to rinse everything off, and I'm going to see how it turned out. And if it looks fine to me, because the areas have turned black and brown, so that means that it has worked, then that's all we're going to do for this to get it rinsed out. So. Alright guys, if you guys like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and leave a comment down below letting me know what you guys do every single day in your bathroom. Also don't forget to subscribe so you never miss a future video like this one, and in general so you never miss a future video. I do have a plan to make more breastfeeding videos, breastfeeding routine, what we eat in a day as a breastfeeding mother and a breastfeeding toddler. Or baby, because she's not 2 yet, so she's still a baby. She's still gonna be a baby till she's 21 in my eyes. But also too, we're gonna be doing like if it's safe for you to breastfeed while you are pregnant, stuff like that, just concerns, how to up your supply, anything else that you guys want to see. Make sure you comment down below. Make sure you don't forget to subscribe and give this video a big thumbs up. Every little bit that you guys do for us really helps. Sorry, somebody was out on my patio, but it was actually wind. I thought somebody was playing with my flower. But anyway, I can't wait to see you guys for the next video. But until then, as always, God bless and see you soon. Bye!